Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 25th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So gold did make a little bit of a push down yesterday, as you can see. It kind of looks impulsive to me, more like it's possibly just a wave A. Now, we definitely do not have any proof whatsoever that this uptrend is over. The only thing we really know right now is that this wave right here is complete, where we have a Fibonacci retracement. This definitely could end up, and it probably is likely going to just end up being a correction to the uptrend. You definitely, possibly could try to get some shorts out of it. And if it does go down and break this structure right here, that's what's going to tell us that the wave three is definitely over. But definitely be careful. I have a very hard time recommending shorts. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, this looks to be more like a wave A, so it's probably going to end up stretching out to like a wave B. Then I would think it would go down again for a wave C. Now, if this wave C goes down and breaks structure, then yeah, we definitely have a more significant turn on our hands. But as of right now, I would definitely be looking at this move down as likely just a pullback within this uptrend on the higher time frames, likely just a pullback to this last wave where I have my Fibonacci retracement. So, like I said, I would be very cautious with my shorts. Gold is literally in an uptrend on every single time frame, so it could very easily continue its uptrend really at any point it wants to. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.